In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your chat history in Talkie. If you've ever had a great conversation with a character and wanted to revisit it, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to find those past chats and how to open them quickly. Let's start at the very beginning so you can follow along even if you're new to Talkie. Open your web browser and head to Google. Starting from Google is helpful if you don't have the site bookmarked or you're unsure of the exact URL. In the search bar, type Talkie AI and press Enter. You should see the official Talkie site in the results. Look for the result that uses the talkieai.com domain so you know you're heading to the right place. Click that result to open the Talkie homepage. Once the website loads, look to the top left corner of the page for the sidebar toggle icon. It often looks like three horizontal lines, sometimes called a hamburger menu. Click that icon to reveal the sidebar. If you don't see the icon, try maximizing your window, zooming out slightly, or checking the top bar on mobile. On smaller screens, the menu might be tucked away until you tap it. With the sidebar open, find the section labeled Chats. This is where your chat history lives. You'll see a list of characters you've interacted with. Each entry represents a conversation thread with that character, making it easy to pick up where you left off. If you don't see any entries, make sure you're signed in to the same account you used before. Also, give the page a moment to load, especially on slower connections. To open a conversation, simply click the character you want to revisit. Your full chat thread with that character will appear, and you can scroll back to review previous messages. This is perfect for checking prior advice, remembering where a roleplay left off, or continuing a project without repeating yourself. If you want to switch to another conversation, reopen the sidebar and choose a different character from the list. You can move between threads as often as you like without losing your place. That's all there is to it. Go to Google, search for Talkie AI, open the official site, toggle the sidebar, and use the chat section to see your history and open any conversation. For quicker access next time, consider bookmarking the Talkie homepage so you can jump straight in. Thanks for watching, and enjoy revisiting your Talkie conversations with ease.